Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back. We're just down in one of the local parks there in Oakville, and we're out here flying the Pavo 30, trying to get a little more practice in. We flew two battery packs, and one of the neighbors, I guess close to the park, was concerned about the noise of the drone being close to his house, and it is a long weekend. So there is another field beyond this park. I do fly this park quite often, and I've never had any issues with neighbors, but usually it's a GPS drone. But obviously this neighbor was concerned, so I am going to cooperate with him, and I'm going to move to a new location and try and get some more practice in. Anyways, take a look at the footage that we did get here, and enjoy. And thanks for watching.